Welcome to Etherverse. Today I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate your game assets created in Unity into our Etherverse platform. This process not only allows you to tokenize your assets but also makes them usable across Web3 games and multiple blockchain ecosystems, which eventually unlocks a new level of interoperability and utility for your creations.
So let's log in and I'll log in with Google. I'll use my primary account and here it asks to sign in. Yes, continue.
So now we'll add asset. The first thing is the asset name. So I have copied them in my clipboard. So I'll just paste them. Next is the asset URL. So I have that too and copy and paste them here. And then is the asset creator. So I have that. I'll paste it. Now is this an individual asset? Yes, it is. So I'll tick yes. And is it equipable? So can it be used inside the game as an equipment? Yes. So I'll tick yes. And then I'll click on verify. So now this will send an OTP to my email. So for the verification purposes. So I'll go to my email and I'll wait for the OTP. Yes, there it is. Let's copy this and paste it here and submit it. Okay, so asset is successfully verified. So now I will go to dashboard and you can see we have our asset here. Next we'll tokenize. Okay, so now let's tokenize. So I'll click on this button, tokenize. So now we'll have a form which we have to fill. So first is the name. So name of the NFTs which will be minted through our assets. So the name I'll give is guns pack symbol. I'll have it GPK, short form for guns pack. The mint price. So this is the price that customers will pay or the end game users will pay to buy this particular NFT in the game itself or as an asset. So I'll keep it 3 USDC. Next is the split percentage. So this is like what percentage of the income generated through this asset will come to you as an asset creator and what other half will go to the game developer. So if I keep it 60 you will receive 60% and game developer will receive 40%, plus there is an additional 9% charge which will be uh, taken by Etherverse Studio as a platform fee. So next is the asset type. So weapon armor character. So ours is the weapon. So I'll keep it weapon. Next is the stats and the power levels. So first I would go with dexterity. So I'll keep it 50. Next will be the intelligence. I'll keep it around 75. And last I would like it like the strength and I'll keep it 52. Okay. Next is the package name. So this is like what will be the package name in your asset structure, the structure which you have. So mine is like com.package.gunspack. Yeah. And version is what is mentioned on that Unity ID. Next is the description. So a short description. So this is a guns pack which can be used in games. Yeah. And there is another custom data, but no, we don't want to add anything for now. So let's do save changes. And yeah, data is updated successfully. And now it will take us to the step number 2, which is svg config. Now we are on the step 2, which is svg config. So here we have to upload the image which will be displayed on our NFT. So here we have two options. Either we can use an image link or you can upload an image from your computer itself. So I'll choose this option, choose file. I have this image, submit. Yeah, so you can see this is the preview of the NFT, let how it will look like. So we have 50 dexterity, 75 intelligence and 50 strength, and this 58 is the average. So now we have to create more versions of this image. So as the player will level up from one level to another level, how the image will change and how it will look like. So here we have lower bound, so which is 58, so it is similar to here the average. So now I'll select this as 90, and the color I want would be not black, red. Yeah, red looks good. Yeah, so this is how my image will look. Another upper bound I would like to have is 150, and the color for this I would like to take is green. Add, and one more, I want one more, so I'll do this 200, and color will be, I want a blue, so a dark blue. Yeah, this one, this is fine. Add. So these are the three versions of the same NFT. As the players will level up, this is how it will look. For this level it will be red, for this level green, and so on. And now we'll do save and proceed. So yeah, data updated successfully. So now we are on the last step, which is contract preview. So here we will preview all the data that we had entered in the previous steps, and is it right or we want to change something. But yeah, it looks all right to me. So after we started the deployment, we are redirected to the Tokenize tab. So here we can see our asset, and this shows that our contract has been deploying on the 4 testnets. Since we are testing this, we are using the testnet, but in real life scenarios, it will be mainnets. And this shows that it is deploying. Currently, it is in the pending state. So if I want to refresh the state, I can click on this refresh button, and yes, it is deployed. So okay, it is refreshing. Okay, so yeah, so now this asset has been deployed on these 4 chains. So this was it. This was the entire process of tokenizing your game assets. So thank you so much for exploring Etherverse with us. And by tokenizing your game assets, you're opening the door to endless possibilities in the Web3 gaming. And we can't wait to see how you'll innovate and contribute to this dynamic ecosystem. So stay connected and let's build the future of gaming together. Thank you.